Hello Linux users, this video is specifically for Poco F1 because there's an issue with the device. It doesn't support OTG out of the box in Linux distributions. So whether you are using postmarketOS Mobian or planning to try NetHunter Pro on this device, you can follow these steps to make OTG work. You can do this directly on your phone and we just need one tool. I'm connecting to my phone via SSH. Connected. Now let's create a temp folder for the file. I just don't like scattered files. The next step is to copy the DTP file of your device here. The Poco F1 has two variants, EVBG and TNA. My device has the EVBG panel variant, so I'll copy the first one. If you check this file, it's a device tree blob or DTB. So now install the DTC tool with this command. Now we need to decompile the DTB file to a DTS file. And you can ignore these warnings, that won't affect anything. As you can see, it's a text file after decompilation. Now we have to change the DR mode value in the DTS file. It's set to peripheral by default, but for OTG it should be host. So let's change it. You can edit this file in your favorite text editor, but set will do the job. Let's check the change we made. Okay, it's set to host now. Next we need to recompile the DTS file back to a DTB file. Let me just delete the old DTB file. Here we can use the same DTC command to recompile the DTS file to DTB file. Delete the DTS file, we don't need it anymore. So this is our modified DTB file. Now concatenate the DTB and kernel into a single file. And this is the file we are going to replace in the boot image. So let me remove the old one as well. Now extract the boot image from the boot partition using dd command. And the last command is to replace the modified DTB appended kernel in the boot image. And it's done. You can save this boot image for later use. Two more things I forgot to mention. Only externally powered OTG will work on Poco F1, and when using the host DTB, the device can't be used as a peripheral or client device. Meaning you can't perform HID attacks. Now let's flash the boot image and see if OTG is working. Time to reboot the phone. Sometimes rebooting the SSH host makes the SSH client get stuck. To make the terminal usable again, just kill the SSH process. The phone is up now. Let's connect and check the dmessage log. Okay, now you can see the kernel logs here. USB have found and my controller's receiver is also detected. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.